What is going on, my friends? I hope you guys are all doing well. It is Monday. It is the 12th. Guys, it's getting close to Valentine's Day here soon. Be prepared to have something for your significant other or feel the wrath of love, right? um, Guys, we're gonna get into the Cosmos ecosystem here in just a minute. Before I do, gotta give a humongous channel sponsor shout out to kujira.network. If you guys don't know about kujira.network, you definitely should be checking them out. They've been sponsoring us here on IBC Gang for a while now, and we really, really do appreciate and like being sponsored by them. We really do appreciate them and the team for what they're providing in the space that is crypto and actually the space that is finance. It's empowering a decentralized economy for all, guys. As they used to say prior, it is the place for people seeking sustainable fintech. I still like that a little bit better. But guys, Kajir has been making leaps and bounds as far as progress goes in the space. I really would suggest that you guys go check them out, see what their protocol is all about. I'm not going to give you guys financial advice, right? You guys got to do you, but I am going to give them a huge shout out because they support us and we support them. Definitely check out Kajiro.network. I think it'll be in your best benefit. What's up, G Torres? What's up, man? The next one I want to give a humongous channel sponsor shout out is to Jacko Protocol. Matter of fact, actually, guys, by the way, Jacko Protocol had some announcements just recently. And before I go any further, let me make sure I don't screw this up as well, because I want to make sure that they get as much exposure as they can on this. Actually, yeah, here, hold on one second. Let me share with you guys something else real quick. So, Jacko Protocol is our second sponsor of the channel, and they just recently put out this tweet. I'm going to share this with you guys in the chat as well, because I want you guys to do your due diligence and do your own research. Again, just because I share it with you, I still suggest that you guys go out there and check it out and, look up the information and formulate your own opinions about things. But they posted this out not too long ago, which is a huge, huge deal. It's a huge, huge deal, guys. You can see it down here. It says potential impacts enables Jacko's self-custodial hot storage across chains via simple smart contracts. Lending platforms can access liquidity across chains. For example, Archway, Juno, Osmosis. DEXs enabling cross-chain liquidity pool participation via native contracts. Guys, that's huge. That is huge. And again, I'm not going to get into all of it. You guys got to do your own due diligence. Jacko Protocol, you know what? I'll just say this right now. I think all of my sponsors do really, really well and do wonderful things. But Jacko Protocol, along with Kujira, also making huge leaps forward in progress in the space, right? If you guys are more interested in Jacko just in general, let me go ahead and share with you guys the Jacko Protocol webpage. This is jackoprotocol.com. It is a storage play within crypto. Again, guys, I like to have my backups have backups. I am a content provider and I also have things that I've sold in the past. So products, right? I like to back up those digital services, whether they're a product and or content. In many different ways. And one of the ways that I like to do that is, yes, physically, but I also like to do it in a decentralized fashion using Jacko Protocol. Definitely would suggest that you guys go check them out. Shout outs to the team, shout outs to the entire community. You know, they're one of the few, along with, and again, it's just funny because it's in the Cosmos ecosystem, along with the Akash and stuff like that, that actually have a product in that's sellable in the space. And for that, I'm like super extremely bullish on Jacko Protocol. And their team is really, really cool and down to earth. And they're just good dudes, man. Anyway, guys, the next one I want to give a last channel sponsor, last but not least, channel sponsor shout out to is Shade Protocol. If you guys don't know about Shade Protocol, definitely check them out as well. It's shadeprotocol.io. Here's the thing about Shade Protocol, right? Like, if you believe in privacy as being a human right, like, or if you believe in privacy being a tool that you can use to facilitate whatever means that you're trying to do, um, in any regards, you need to be checking out Shade Protocol because it allows you to have both, right? It allows you to actually partake in both of those narratives, both of those functions. So, guys, check out Shade Protocol. They have humongous things happening recently on their decks with Shade, Silk, their pairings. They've recently did something with Kujira, another of my channel sponsors. They've been reaching out to other platforms within the Cosmos ecosystem as well, platforms, protocols, decks, whatever you want to call them. And they've been making really, really good moves forward. So again, guys, check out Shade Protocol. You won't be disappointed. Yeah. Let's get into now the charts because I've spent a lot of time sharing with you guys my sponsors, which you guys aren't here for my sponsors. First and foremost, though, what's up, Chicken Tacos? What's up, Red Eye Bear? What's up, man? Guys, everybody in chat, I don't do this enough. If you guys would do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, do other cringy things. That means you're a great, good, supportive person. It costs you no money. Like I don't understand people who don't do those kind of things because like it costs you nothing and it's like relatively really fast. Clicking a button, super simple, right? Like it should make you feel like a good supportive person. I know it makes me feel like a good supportive person when you do it, and help me help you. But in any case, the more people that see these videos, the more people that see what you're interested in, and which in turn means you're scratching your own back and not mine, right? So do the cringy thing and like and subscribe. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and jump on into the markets. Start off with the Dow Jones. Need more chart. I need more. Yeah, charting. Guys, actually, you know what? I'm glad you brought that up. I'm sorry. I know I said we're going to jump in. From now on, I'm going to be the Cosmos focused content creator that does specifically Cosmos charting from now on. That's my shtick. That's what I'm going to be doing, right? I think Cosmos is the place to be, obviously, right? Um, I don't know a lot of people. A lot of people already do like pre-recorded videos where they give you their thoughts and opinions and like how tos and stuff like that. Not a lot of people chart. I'm gonna chart. That's what I do. I'm gonna keep it short, simple, like hopefully 20 minutes or less, 20, maybe 30 minutes. And we're just gonna chart the Cosmos ecosystem. We'll touch base real quickly every time that I go live on the fundamental things that matter most, right? Like the traditional markets, really quickly. We'll talk about what's happening out there in the global landscape as in regards to finance and maybe other things that might have a direct relationship to what might happen. But we're going to really stick to Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe some of the other ones, and then just jump straight into charting the Cosmos ecosystem from now on. But yeah, that's the focus, guys. So if you like it, I'll let you. I'm telling you, you guys make a lot of money if you guys pay attention. I know I did. I made a lot of money. Not financial advice, guys. Let's go ahead and jump on into the charts though. Dow Jones right now, basically flat. It did just open up not too long ago. Again, guys, we're looking at things on the 4 hour. We usually take a look at things using market cipher on the daily time frame. We were taking a look at the 4 hour though. It's up 0.08% if you want to call that up for the Dow Jones, 38,705. The Nasdaq is in a negative, barely. It's 17,945 right now, but still making all-time highs after all-time highs after all-time highs over the recent past weeks, right? So perspective, guys. Zoom out when in doubt. Let's go to the daily and actually do that. If you zoom out, like we're at all-time highs, basically. That's the NASDAQ. This is the Dow Jones. We're at all-time highs. It looks great. It looks great. Chicken tacos, I hope your day is going well, bud. We'll start with channel sponsors. What? Huh? Spencers? What is Spencers? What is that? um yeah, so the Russell right now is up 0.88%. It is not at all-time highs. It needs quite a bit to get back to all-time highs. If we go from here to previous all-time highs for the Russell, it needs to get up like 22%. If we can break away from this channel that we're in right now, then it has a good chance to actually run. But it is above the 200 SMA on the daily time frame, so that's a good thing. Waiting for the DXY to take a healthy dump. Yeah, you and me both, bud. You and me both. This watch, I need to change, guys. This is one of my favorite watches. And this watch, I need to get like a link or micro adjusted again or something like that. Look, it's like bugging the hell out. It's so heavy, but it's like it's sliding too much. I don't like this. It's too much. It's too much. I need it to be like here and stay there. Look how much that's loose. I need to take one off. I need to gain more weight back. That's what I need to do. I'm gonna take it off for now. It's hurting. I don't like it. One of my favorite watches though. Limited edition Tissot GMT C Star. They said it was limited edition, but they haven't stopped selling it. So for U.S. residents only, the green and black. It looks so good. It looks so yummy, doesn't it? I like it a lot though. It's one of my favorite watches. I like GMTs, by the way. I don't know why I keep saying this. Like if somebody wants to give me a present, a GMT is the way to go. um, actually, let's go to the DXY. It is up actually today, 0.06%. Again, basically flat, right? It is trading at 104.14. We do have the DBSI on right now with Market Cipher. As you can see, it's kind of high right now. So it does look like it's probably going to roll over. And if you take a look at what we've been charting here, we do have resistance that it's coming up to. More than likely going to hold up as resistance. Hopefully, I'd like to see it take a little bit of a dump and come back and retest like that 101.1. Do I ever get those wood watches? I don't. They look nice. But I don't. Ooh, excuse me. How about you guys? You guys like the wood watches? It's like the new look, right? I'm a DXY crypto down. Yeah. DXY up means crypto go down. DXY down means crypto go up. I really like the sleek look of like just a. I don't like gold either. I don't like the gold look. I think I told you guys this before on many things, on jewelry and stuff like that. Like I like the chrome, the silver, the nice sleek good look. I don't like the aluminum. I don't like the titanium. It feels like nothing. I like the feel of stainless steel on my watch, but that's just me. All right, let's get into crypto though. Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin was making a push, guys. It's still making a push. It's up 0.6% right now. 0.6% right now. 48,598, basically 48.6. And if you guys remember what I was telling you guys in the previous videos, right? Told you it sounds silly, but I told you guys if we can get past those resistance levels that weren't too far away from where we are right now, it's obvious, right? Like just count, it sounds like we're just counting upwards. Like if we can get it right from 44, 45, we're going to go to 47, 48, and then 50. Duh, those are the numbers right above. That's how you count upwards, you big dummies. But like it's a humongous psychological resistance level on the charts for a lot of people, right? So again, this looks really, really good. What do you guys think in chat? Oh, by the way, let me put on some music. In chat, what do you think? Let's go take a look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour, but let's get off this chart. By the way, while I say 90-90 boo-boo, stick your head in doo-doo. Remember when I was showing you guys this chart? The 4x4 DCA strategy, the white lines, right? Remember? Because I do. Remember I told you guys 1, 2, 3. Remember? Look how I wicked right into that. Suck it. That's right. All you haters can suck rocks. I'm up right now on that position because I told y'all 24% in 20 days. Up video. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, dude. Definitely gives a thumb up for the algo, guys. Appreciate it. Good morning. What's up, YouTube? But yeah, 24.62% on the 4x4 DCA strategy. We wicked right into the first zone of our 4x4 right there at about like, what was it? What was it, guys? 43? No. It was 38, 8, 38. Too many 8s on that one. To be honest with you guys, I sold off though. But this looks really good. This looks like it actually has a chance to get past previous resistance. Look at this. Look at this, my friends. This is where we're at right now, okay? It's not hard to tell, okay? Watch this. Excuse me. You guys see that big dotted yellow line? Look at how it's serving as, oh, where's my thing? As previous support, resistance, 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 right? If it can get past this, guys, guess where it's going? Excuse me. You're looking into the neutron ecosystem today? Nice. I got to do more of that. Joe was telling me if I make more neutron videos, that it gets a lot of hits. I think I'm a live streamer, though. VRPR. Let's go take a look at that. Good question. There's not a lot. There's not a lot. A lot of support. Look, you guys see, this is what he's talking about right here. I'm not going to write because everything else will come back up again. But you see this little gaping section right here? We can explode right past that. The Bitcoin dominance chart. Do I have it? I thought I had it up. No, that's shorts. Where's my... That's futures. Dominance. There we go. I have so many freaking stupid charts, dude. Sorry, my arm is itchy as can be right now. Look at that. Look at that big gaping section on the Bitcoin dominance wall. There's a nice gap right here. Yep. There's a nice gap right here. We can fill that gap for sure. Oops. Let me know in chat, guys. Did you guys sell off? Did you guys take a position, or what's going on with you guys' Bitcoin? Such an easy thing to do. Charting is so easy. And there's your Bitcoin dominance chart. If it comes back down to here and breaks, guess what, my friends? Bitcoin shorts on the daily. Let's just go with the averages there. Nice little average there. Longs are coming off a little bit. Damn, I need to get Bluetooth headphones. All right, let's move on to ETH. Oh, wait, actually, hold on. G2R says, I'm mostly, by the way, guys, look at all those Manekis. Oh, I love seeing it. I'm mostly heavy in alts, but I saved a bit by selling alts. I didn't have high conviction. And there you go. Look at our fibs working out. Look at these fibs working out. Beautiful. We're gonna hit 50K. We're gonna hit 50K this week. For sure. For sure. Look at that. 48,764. It's up almost a whole %. Dominance taking over for Bitcoin. A lot of the alts right now took some profits. People taking profits. Dominance shifting, liquidity shifting back to Bitcoin to having on its way. Let's take a look at market cipher B. Still has room to go. Link right now back to $20. Look at that. Told y'all I've been sharing. I share with you guys all the time. Look at Neutron and see the ecosystem is extremely young. Where's Neutron? Down 1.04. Look, this is what I said about Neutron, right? I told you guys. What's up, Bruce? I told you guys these yellow lines, right? I told you guys that's where I'm going to be buying. I bought. If it comes back down, great. I'll reinforce. 101, 76, 55 cents. My lower buys were all the way down here before. 28, 33, 36. One second, guys. 1 second. I got a kid in the room. What are you doing? What? What's up, MB? Thanks, man. 1 second. I got to walk this kid down. Hold on a second. I'll be right back. I'll leave the tunes on. Let's take a look at ETH, though. Look at the ETH. What's up, Chad? Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? Remember, we're on the daily. Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. I'm muted. Oh, nobody can see. No, muted, muted. I was trying to ask him. I was trying to ask him if he should tell all of us to sell or buy, and he told me to tell you guys, why are you guys spending money on crypto just to sell your crypto to buy more crypto? And I was like, this kid gets it. This kid gets it. Ah, guys. Sorry, I was trying to. Didn't. Shit. I just screwed. Oops, I just swore. Sorry. Okay, guys. ETH right now. ETH looking good. It's above 2,500, guys. Anytime it's above 2,500, it's really good. There's a lot of people with the narrative pushing that ETH is going to be the first truly, without a doubt, accepted ETF. And a lot of people are saying and trying to put out the narrative that, and I agree with this. I agree with that ETH is going to have much further upside potential than Bitcoin, as far as like potential profits and percentage moves up on the charts. It just is. What do you guys think about that? With all the upcoming upgrades, I think so. But if it does, we do have resistance that's been holding up as resistance. If we get up to 3,000, which is obviously basically where it's going to be projecting to go, still has a lot of ways to go. We're going to get a lot of selling pressure. So be ready. Excuse me. It does look like the RSIs are rounding back down now. Marcus FRB is showing that. So be very aware of that. Let's go to Adam. I bet you guys all thought Adam was going to stay above $10, didn't you? Adam got rejected on his 50-day moving average on the daily time frame and was like, no, I don't want to. Meaning 3 months or less? I think so too. I think it's about time. G Taurus, I think that's a good comment. Taurus says, I think ETH and layer 2s will have their run in the near future, meaning 3 months or less. I think so. Adam getting rejected though on his 50 SMA. Told you guys to take a look at the 200 SMA, right? I'm still prepared for 750, 615, and yes, 460. I'm just saying. Let's project out on the daily time frame, right? Yeah. Let's just do body candle highs. Let's take that wick high, body candle highs, and let's average it out. It needs to get above that trend. Kujira, 363, down 3%. Guys, it came up to the 50 SMA on the daily time frame again and got rejected off of it. I'm not trying to FUD my channel sponsor. I think they have tremendous upside potential going forward. I think there's going to be, I'm not putting it, I don't know anything. I'm just sponsored, but I'm telling you guys right now, I don't know anything. I think there's going to be a listing. I think the perps are going to get dropped. I think an NFT connection is going to get made. I think you guys should not fade the funk. That's my humble opinion, not financial advice. By the way, I did tell you guys on the yellow lines, right? If you guys were paying attention, I had limit orders. I DCA'd right into this 294. And from there, even right now, I'm still up 24.79% in 11 days. Suck it. BTC jumped $49,000. There you go. It's up 1.57%, guys. Look at that. It's breaking away right now, taking up the dominance. Look at that jump. Oh my gosh. Look at that volume on the 1 hour right now. Look at that spike. My son's sitting right here again. What's going on? The Yodo. Did you guys check the bins? Downstairs. You did? In the toy bins. Thank you, Nate, for the shout out. Getting some sell pressure though. 24-minute on BTC looks pretty good. Just came out of the negative sell pressure. 10 minutes. Oh, 10 minutes getting some sell pressure for sure. Guys, I'm telling you, it's obvious though, right? Like as we try to break into that 50,000, it's going to be a lot of sell pressure. That's what it's going to, it's just going to be a lot of sell pressure. So like when the volatility comes in, guys, don't act like you guys weren't prepared for it. Like obvious, it's a huge level of resistance. Nice play though for a Monday. Let's get it. All right, guys, let's go back to the Cosmos ecosystem because that's the title of today. Guys, I already told you guys what I felt like with Atom, Kujira, Jackal, channel sponsor of mine, up 0.94%, guys. Although it is having a down red day, it is still up 0.94%. Healthy. Let's go. Guys, I need to get a new chair. My back is killing me from sitting over here all the time. Let's go to the 24 and 4 hour, excuse me. It looks like the 24-minute actually has a reversal sign on it, so be prepared. It looks like it's going to come back down. The 4 hour doesn't look all too great, although we did just print, and it needs to confirm in about 50 minutes, a double green dot on the 4 hour. Excuse me. Daily time frame, it could come all the way down to about 28 cents and still be absolutely fine. Yeah, you know what? Actually, hold on one second. Jackal rewards. Excuse me. Doing that right now, actually. Do you guys care to zoom in on your first entry on Jackal? Yeah, sure. So my first entry, well, it's kind of hard to say my first entry. It was a while ago, to be honest with you. It was a long time ago. Hold on one second. We'll get to that in just a second. Trying to take this sorry, trying to get my staking rewards real quick. Oh, where I want to buy? I told you guys for Jackal though, it's here. The yellow lines. That's where I would want to buy. 23, 18, 13 cents. Excuse me. Don't take me there. Claimed. All right, there we go. All right, where are we? Jackal. Yeah, Jackal, again, not to, as an investor, that's why I'm speaking kind of like off with the sponsored hat and stuff like that and back on as an investor hat. for me, if I didn't already have a position, I would be looking to get into a position right around point or right around 23 cents, 18 cents, and 13 cents. BTC above 49 again. There you go. It needs to break away from 49 and get to 49.5. And then I think if it does that, it's going to have a huge chance. But then it's going to get slapped. It's going to get slapped down quite a bit of times at 50K. It just is. Stars right now up 4. Stars is the gift that keeps on giving. Shout outs to Stargaze, our main sponsor for our event here in Nashville, NFT Nashville. We're looking to actually put that back on again. Hopefully they'll be a sponsor of ours again. But guys, Stargaze has been just the gift that keeps on giving. Who sold their stars and who staked all of their stars? We showed you guys this too. We projected out 1-2 touches. We project out. Yellow line, support, held up as support. 50 SMA, held up as support. Again, though, if I'm looking to buy more stars, I'm not fighting stars. Like, just if somebody that didn't have exposure to it, 0.028, 0.022, 0.015 is where I'm looking to enter. I don't think you guys are going to get that, though. All right. We've been live for 36 minutes. We're going to kind of go fast on this, okay? I don't want to be long-winded with these streams. Osmosis down 0.64% right now. Again, yellow lines is where I'm looking to pick up more. It doesn't mean I'm necessarily going to get it. It's threading the 50 SMA on the daily time frame right now. But 106, 88, and 68 cents. My first 3 buy zones. Excuse me. Akash is up 0.54%. Again, I would like to get it. I don't think you're going to get it, though. Below the 50 SMA, which is right around 271. If it dips below that, I like to see it right around 202, 153. That's where I would like to get it in first 3. Neutron, a lot of people getting excited about Neutron, but again, I showed you guys before. 101 is where I want to get my first entry. 76 cents, 55 cents. That's my first 3. DYDX, I'm not even really playing around with DYDX, but it's up basically 0.33%, trading at $2.88. I'm just looking for the 200 SMA, which is right around 251. Got a kink in my neck again. TIA up 0.27%. It's trading at 1943. I'm looking for the fib extensions or the fib points of interest, which is right here at 1375, which is the 236. But then first and foremost, I'm looking at 1732. Orium, let me see. Corium. You think Astroport may be a better play than Neutron since it's also on other? Yeah. Neutron has a lot of growing to do. Corium, that's what I was looking at. I thought I had Corium here. Is it CORE? It's not Core, right? What is it? What's their ticker? I thought I had it on it. XC? Yeah, boom. $200 SMA. Right around 12 cents. That's where I'm looking. It has, oh, this doesn't look good. It has a red cell dot here, R size pointing downwards. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to get out of here. Sith Lord, you got to get some Jackal. Yeah. It's 40 minutes, guys. I told myself I was going to cut it off no matter what. 40 minutes. Guys, put down in the comments if you guys want to see different charts on the next stream, and we'll definitely get to it, okay? Peace.